guys, my name is Chris. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the secret in Baby Yellow, and we will try to find the key. Here we go. Okay. Baby Yellow. Oh my god, bro. Can you just be quicker? What happens with the flippin' hats? Get in, get in. How do we get up there? We need to find the key. Yep, that's right. What is this? Can this open it? Nope. Nope, this is locked. Dark bridge. No. Ooh, a sword. Oh my god, where is this key? Locked. Locked. I'm not going down there. Tell me where the flipping key is. Doctor's gift locked. Five more souls. Ooh. 5 more souls. Okay. What are you on, nigga? Little bitch ass. You just fart it. That's it. You staying right? Oh! Shut up. No, hold away. You stand right? Hey. Not again. Sorry about that, guys. My bad. That was really stupid. That was my mom, of course. Why this plushie so bad? It's so cool. God damn it, where is this stupid key? What? Guys, have a look at everywhere. I can't find it. Oh my god, bro. Just stupid. Are you serious? What the? You kidding me? Oh hell no, dog. Are you serious? That was so easy. Huh? I can't give the bottle, bro. I'm scared. That was so scary, bro. Oh my god. Get me. Holy shit, bro. What was that, though? What the hell? I'm out of here. Bro. Okay, guys. That was a secret, I think. Let me check. Black Cat soon. Alright, in 2022. Okay, but sounds great. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and catch y'all in the next one. Peace. You know what? Is there a bad ending? Hold away. Is there a bad ending? I think there's a bad ending. I wanna see it. Because this is new. Because they're talking about they said that there's a bad ending, so I want to do it. And yeah, let's see what happens. The Pigman's Madness. You probably guys already know what it is. It's, you know where that I don't have supposed to, like, you know, I don't have to put the baby in the to sleep. So I think I think that's the bad ending. I think that's what I have to do. Come back. Why a little piece of... Yeah. Do this. Boop. Boop. Up. Never mind. Little bitch ass nigga. Where is it? Oh. Ooh, a soul. Nice.
Hide.
What did you say? Sorry, my guy. I didn't hear that. Hide? Did he say hide? I don't know. I don't play piano in real life. I actually suck. Little bitch ass nigga. Right. Is that a switch? Well, yeah, I know, bro. Blah. I don't think like this. What the hell? This has got to be 100%. Why is my screen shading? Wait. That was weird. My screen was shaking. Okay. Never mind then. And also, where the fudge are my parents, bro? Like, what the hell? Shut up. Little bitch ass. I always sing the song. Love the song. Call. Okay, I'm ready. I know you guys probably know what is gonna happen after this. After I come back, so be ready. Okay, where is this? Oh my god, I'm so stupid for here. You know what? No. He's probably gonna pop out. So I should barely. 3. No. 7. What is the code? Or am I tripping? What's the code? Wait, I forgot. Oh, it's free. Yeah. My bad. Freeze probably 7. Yep. Come on, little bitch. Little asshole. Oh. Bitch ass nigga. You may look cute, but there's a demon that's inside of you. That is possessing you. So I'm sorry, but he looks so creepy. Oh my god, what that laugh? Oh my god, it's so creepy. Oh my god, I'm scared, bro. I don't know why. Guys, get ready. You know what? I'm gonna pause the video when I'm done with this. I'm gonna unpause.